Today we have another episode for our series Techi.Techi, how to use basic math in Microsoft Excel. Hi, it's Norway Harmony. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another episode for our series Techi.Techi, how to use basic math in Microsoft Excel. Guys, sobrang dali lang nitong gawin. I know kayang-kaya nyo to. And I'll be sharing this video to you because I know may mga times sa kailangan natin yung mga document na kailangan ng computation. Excel can help you with that, with those kind of documents. Now, without further ado, let's start. Una sa lahat, punta ka sa Programs, hanapin mo yung Microsoft Excel. Pwede mo rin i-type na lang yung Excel. Tapos, loading pa siya. Yan, piliin nyo lang yung black. Ilagay na natin yung formula. Equals mo na for addition. Click mo lang yung cell plus na sign. Then click mo yung another cell. And then enter. And then there you have it. Many thanks for. Next, equals, click mo na ulit ang cell, tapos minus na sign and another cell, and there you have it. Next, equals, click mo ulit yung cell, tapos ang sign ng division slash, then another cell, okay na yun, enter. Next, equals, click ang cell, tapos asterisk na sign, and then yung another cell, yung 5. Diyan sa formula bar makikita nyo na dyan nakalagay yung formula nilagay natin. Multiplication. Enter lang and there you have it. Tapos na tayo. Ayusin na lang natin. Lagyan natin ng color para mas recognizable. I-control lang natin. Long press. Then click natin yun. Pili tayo ng color yellow. Same. Gawin din natin sa total. Kung nabilisan kayo guys, pwede nyo hinaan yung speed nito para mas yung mas maintindihan nyo siya. Yun sa alignment na lang straight. Ang purpose itong alignment para magitna, yun lang, pili lang kayo dun, meron dyan mga choices kung delete, gitna, para mas malinis siya tingnan. And click nyo lang yung kunyari sa A na column, B na column, tapos lahat na yun ma-change, ma-organize na siya, malingit na lahat, ma-align. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope nakatulong itong video dito sa inyo. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon also for you to be notified to may bago akong post. And please share this with your friends. That's it for today guys. See you next time. Bye!